LF55 series pressure switches is usually used with fluorinated refrigerants to control the pressure of compressor in refrigeration system. It can also used in air and water. Internal microswitch ensures reliable switching. It is provided standard mounting bracket. Temperature package available. LF55 pressure switch is a single-pole double-throw switch with optional automatic reset or manual reset. The minimum pressure range is 0.52 bar, and the maximum pressure range is 1070 bar. There are 12 sections in total to meet various working environments. For more product questions, please communicate in the comments area or visit lfu.en.alibaba.com.